and how to integrate fashion into corporate. So she must be like, ज़्यादा serious stuff में नहीं होगा ऐसे. Also a little bit of angular as well. 3 years के लिए 9 to 5 नहीं होता वो. It becomes like. Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Techie Glam Girl aka Shivani and I am your go-to girl for all things tech and fashion. This episode is super special because this video is going to be all about me and it's like little getting to know me better and basically diving into the journey of how I reached here and how I got into tech and how I got into fashion. So ये video basically हमारे पुराने फैमिली और हमारे न्यू फैमिली और जो नई फैमिली और ऐड होगी उन सभी लोगों के लिए है. So, are you ready? Then let's get started. So behind the camera, I have my best friend Radhika over here and जो मुझे questions पूछने वाली है basically and she is going to ask me a few questions जो मुझसे related है and मेरी journey से related है. So let's get started quickly बिना waste किए time.
First of all, let us know who is Techie Glam Girl.
Okay, so who is Techie Glam Girl? I'm going to keep this answer very short and very minimal. So basically, Techie Glam Girl is someone who's trying to juggle both the worlds, tech and fashion at its finest. Basically, there's a stereotype, okay? If he or she is from tech, then that person is really boring and he's like a very, very studious kind of person, very nerd. And अगर that person is creative, he or she is creative, तो ऐसे बोला जाता है कि ना he is like a no-brainer and he or she must be like ज़्यादा serious stuff में नहीं होगा ऐसे. तो I don't really trust this theory. So Techie Glam Girl is all about that to break this kind of stereotype. Basically, I'm a software developer and I have an experience of 5 years, right? And I think I'm doing really good at my corporate life. So yeah, I'm really good at tech and I'm actually very passionate about it. In fashion, I'm really creative and I'm really passionate about fashion as well. So yeah, I love exploring trends, I love exploring styles and I think I'm really good at that too. So yeah, Techie Glam Girl is about being best of the both worlds.
You have a pretty interesting job in the corporate world. Can you tell us more about your role as a software developer?
Okay. Corporate life की बात की जाए तो I have about 5 years of experience, 5+ years of experience and I have always been a developer since start. I started back in 2019 so उस time से I have become a software engineer. पहले तो actually associate software engineer था, then I became a software developer, then I became senior software developer and now I am on to senior consultant. But the entire roles and responsibilities are the same. So yeah, I'm basically a senior software engineer itself even now. So I have always worked in Java, Spring Boot, microservices and at front end I have also worked on React and also a little bit of Angular as well. 3 years say I have been a full stack developer and 2 years I was into Java and backend developer. Eventually you start growing a lot. पहले इतना नहीं होता है. When you are starting out, you're not finest at what you do. Each and every day you start growing and yeah, I think I'm doing good right now in my corporate life as well.
The audience also loves your fashion content. So how did your love for fashion start and how did you balance it with a full-time corporate job?
Okay, so fashion मेरे लिए अभी से start नहीं हो रहा है. Fashion back when I was in college, I used to experiment a lot with clothes and a lot with trends. But it's not something like fashion I'm starting right now. I always had a knack for fashion and I try to incorporate fashion element in my corporate life. I love making fashion content for you guys since start. Juggling that with corporate career is, I won't lie, it's really hard, it's really challenging because you have to work full time. I am working full time in office also, so what I do is 9 to 5. Actually 9 to 5 नहीं होता वो, it becomes like 10 to 7 late evenings तक I work, and after late evenings तक afterwards basically I start making content for Instagram and YouTube, and उसके बाद फिर I do the editing part as well, and फिर उसके बाद I sleep and I try to majorly use weekends, so Saturday Sunday में बहुत ज़्यादा content मैं try करती हूँ shoot करने का, but no complaints because this is what I like to do. I want the best of the both worlds, so I am not negotiating on any of the part. I love doing my work in corporate and I love doing fashion as well, so no negotiations.
What's your take on the latest fashion trends, especially for those who have a corporate job but want to add a bit of style to their everyday look?
So अभी फ़िलहाल जो लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स आए थे, जैसे कि बोज वाला एक बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड था where everybody is just wearing bows everywhere. Trends actually basically elevate your outfit a lot, and sometimes the trends are very on point and sometimes it's not always on point. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to follow the trend always. अभी जैसे कि latest trend I'll tell, latest trend was dark reds and मतलब color shade में था, so it was dark reds and maroon shades में. I loved that trend very much. Okay, you have to follow very simple trick which I do it in my personal life. What you have to do is get that trend. For example, जैसे मैंने कहा bows का trend आया था, you can simply grab any shirt which has bows on it. That's it. You're fashionable into corporate life as well.
So Shivani, we've seen you travel a lot on your Instagram. How has traveling influenced your content, both on the tech and on the fashion side?
Okay, so I really love traveling, and travel basically inspires me a lot in my daily life, in my personal life as well, because I feel traveling से ना आपको बहुत ज़्यादा experiences मिलता है, and genuinely whenever I go on the streets I really get inspired. मतलब मैं लोगों के fashion sense देखती रहती हूँ and I'm really heavily inspired by that as well. तो fashion में personally I think travel is contributing me a lot, and tech के बारे में बात की जाए तो obviously my mind always remains fresh. If I am continuously glued to my screen, it won't really help me. So travel basically helps me go out, and it helps me become more creative and enjoy my process of being into tech and fashion a lot.
So speaking of travel, any memorable experiences or challenges while managing work, travel and content creation at the same time?
Okay, so 2 years ago मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था कि I was working really till late nights, and मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा hectic हो गया था ऑफिस का शेड्यूल, and I really wanted to go somewhere because मैंने vacation नहीं लिया था for about 6 months straight or something, and there was no sick leave. So I was really tired of working continuously. तो what I did is I basically scheduled a vacation. Proper schedule करके रखा था मैंने, छुट्टियाँ लेके रखी थी. I did every single thing, but till the last day मेरा काम बिल्कुल नहीं ख़त्म हुआ, and the task kept on coming to me, and it was really hectic, and मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि what I should do. Should I go on the vacation by leaving my work, or should I not go on the vacation and not leave my work? I worked from that destination eventually. दिन में मैं काम करती थी and रात में हम लोग घूमने जाते थे. So yeah, best of the both worlds I think, again, because you have to juggle all of this. You have to, if you're in corporate life and if you still want to have any kind of passions, and if you want to explore the world more, yeah, this kind of things you have to do.
You also run a startup that blends your love for fashion and tech. Tell us a bit more about it. What's the mission behind it, and what can your followers expect from it?
Yeah, so I run my own brand. I will tell you about that brand later on in some upcoming days, and I will make a big announcement also for that. But abhi ke liye I can tell you what my brand is all about. So I'm a desi girl basically who is in tech and who is in fashion, and who is basically exploring fashion while being in a corporate life, right? Ethnicity and that kind of vibe जो every girl will relate to, who's trying to basically have any passion apart from being in a corporate life. So this brand basically represents that, and I feel इसके बारे में मैं और सारी डिटेल्स बाद में definitely बताऊंगी. अभी के लिए यही है, इतना ही information मैं दे सकती हूँ.
Alright, let's have some fun with a quick rapid fire round. If your life were a movie, what would be the title?
So the title of my movie will be Heels and Hustles.
One fashion item that you can't live without?
Okay, so I can't really live without my jewelry. So I really have to have some kind of jewelry on me.
A tech gadget that has made your life easier?
A tech gadget that I cannot live without. मेरा जो नया कैमरा है, I just bought a new camera, Sony Alpha 6700, and it's really amazing. It's contributing like amazingly into my life.
What's on your bucket list?
I'm a really big fan of Harry Potter. So my bucket list पे यही है कि I want to go to UK and I want to see all the filming locations. And मुझे Harry Potter and the Cursed Child का जो theatrical experience है वो भी देखना है. तो yeah, this is the number one thing which is on my bucket list right now.
Describe your style in 3 words.
Classy, chic and boho.
So Shivani, what can your audience look forward to in the next few weeks? Any sneak peeks or exciting updates?
For all my entire family, next weeks में future content जो आ रहा है, that is going to be really amazing. Tech reviews आएंगे, all tech gadgets I'm using right now. मेरे career related videos हैं, then guiding वाले जो videos होते हैं वो वाले भी बहुत आएंगे for college students, college girls and guys out there. Whenever you're switching from any company or if you're a fresher, तो कौन से interviews के लिए कैसे crack करना है interviews and कैसी पढ़ाई करनी है, how to prepare yourself for that interview. तो ये सारी चीज़ें at the tech side आपको देखने मिलेगी and बहुत सारा actually मैं plan कर रही हूँ to make videos for you guys. बहुत सारे different topics हैं and I think it's going to be really exciting. The journey is amazing henceforward. Fashion के बारे में I can definitely say you're going to see more of creative and बहुत सारा styling related and confidence related and fashion hauls भी करूँगी मैं because personally I really love that. And also for corporate girlies out there, corporate guys out there, I will also make videos on if you're जैसे मैंने बताया if you're a fashion person and how to integrate fashion into corporate life basically. तो ये सारे videos भी उस पे आएंगे and fashion के related oh my god there are a lot of things which I'm going to put on hence coming forward. So yeah, just keep watching my channel and I really mean it. You guys are gonna love it.
And lastly, for those who haven't yet, why should they subscribe to your YouTube channel and follow you on Instagram?
Okay, so the people who have not subscribed to me yet, subscribe. Okay, so keeping the jokes apart, मुझे लगता है कि मेरे content page पे बहुत सारे ऐसी चीज़ें ऐसे videos आएंगे which will help you guys a lot. Person के लिए कोई ना कोई content है मेरे पेज पे, so you better subscribe to my channel because it's going to be fun. My channel is going to be fun. आप बहुत enjoy करोगे मेरा channel देख के and मेरा content देख के, so subscribe me right now. Oh, that's it. Oh, that was a great video. That was a fun video. Okay, so I guess this is it for us right now. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and thank you all for watching this video. I hope कि मेरे बारे में बहुत कुछ पता चल गया होगा आपको. तो I really hope कि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा. सो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल अभी के अभी. प्लीज़ गो अहेड एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. आगे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग कंटेंट आने वाला है इस चैनल पे एंड आई डू होप कि यू स्टे सब्सक्राइब टू मी एंड आई होप यू लव my content as well. So let's meet in another video. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.